2 headphones, 2 sound experiences. Find the one that feels right every day. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're comparing the JBL Tune 510BT and BERIBES WH202A headphones to see which one comes out on top. From sound quality and noise cancellation to comfort, battery life, and smart features, we'll cover the key differences to help you find the perfect pair. Let's dive in. Comparative analysis. The JBL Tune 510BT features a lightweight on-ear design with a foldable frame that enhances portability and makes it easy to store in bags, making it ideal for travel and daily commuting. In contrast, the BERIBES WH202A uses a more spacious over-ear design with soft cushioned ear cups and a padded headband, offering better comfort during long listening sessions and improved passive noise isolation in louder environments. The JBL Tune 510BT delivers JBL pure bass sound with a strong emphasis on punchy and energetic low frequencies, making it well-suited for casual listening, pop, and hip-hop music. Meanwhile, the BERIBES WH202A provides a more flexible sound experience with multiple EQ modes and a wider frequency response range, allowing users to switch between balanced, bass-heavy, or vocal-focused profiles depending on preference. The JBL Tune 510BT offers up to 40 hours of playback with fast charging support, ensuring reliable performance for everyday use with stable Bluetooth connectivity. The BERIBES WH202A significantly extends usage with up to 65 hours of battery life, Bluetooth 5.3 for improved connection stability, and a wired mode option for uninterrupted listening when needed. The JBL Tune 510BT includes multi-point connectivity for switching between devices, voice assistant integration, and simple on-ear controls for easy operation. The BERIBES WH202A adds EQ mode switching, dual connectivity support, wireless and wired, and broader customization options, giving users more control over their listening experience. The JBL Tune 510BT launched in February 2021 at around $49, offering an affordable on-ear wireless option focused on simplicity, portability, and JBL's signature bass tuning. The BERIBES WH202A launched in 2023. Exact month varies by batch, commonly mid-2023, at around $30 to $50, positioning it as a budget over-ear headphone with extended battery life and added EQ customization features. The JBL Tune 510BT is best suited for users who want a simple, lightweight, and bass-boosted on-ear headphone for everyday music, calls, and commuting. The BERIBES WH202A is better suited for users who prefer over-ear comfort, longer battery life, and more flexible sound customization for extended listening, travel, and home use. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.